Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. Welcome to my video. This video is a requirement of my assessment that I need to do in a group assignment of subject microprocessor and interfacing with code BTE3254. In the video, I will monitoring the question that I solve and explain of the system component and the process flow of my program, and also demonstration of the solution. Okay, let's see the question. As I said before, this is a group assignment. So my name is Muhammad Sulaiman bin Muhammad Roni with ID TB17005, and my partner name is Abdul Wafi bin Kasim with ID TB17060. In this assignment, they have two questions. The first question, I will solve and explain the work that I read the program, and the second question, my partner will explain it in their video. So this is the first question. In this question, they have two figures. The first figure will show the car door display system, and the second figure will show the schematic diagram. This system will detect which one of the door is open and display at 7 segments. It means one door at one time. So for example, if door 2 is open, 7 segment will display 2. And I need to write a complete program for this car door system. Noted that 7 segment is used. BCD 7 segment. So let's see the answer that I did. Okay, this is the circuit diagram that I've used in this program. So before that, I show you the C programming code that I did. First thing first, we need to include the header files that need in the program. For sure, the AVR of coding need include the AVR file holder, and the code is avr/io.h. The second requirement is the declaration of the system that you use in the program. So in declaration, I'll use the port C and the port A in declaration. For the port C, I use it for output, and the port A is the output and the input. So this is the condition. The first condition is when all the button is pressed. This means the door, all the door is closed. So the 7 segment will display 0. And the second condition, else, is pin A will detect button 1 is unswitched. So in the real situation is the door 1 is open, so the 7 segment will display 1. Also to the condition, the third condition is when the switch 2 is unswitched, will display the number 2, and the third and the fourth same the condition, and and then lastly is else. This else is mean when either the button switch to the two more than 2 button is unswitched, they will display the alphabet E. So we will back the circuit diagram. The component that I will use is for sure the source, the resistance, the switch, and this one is the Atmega 64 and the BCD 7 segment. Okay. Next, I will show the demonstration of the simulation. Okay, this is the AVR software. This is all recording that I've shown before. So we need to build the solution. Either the program is failed or not. So they show the output will show the build instruction and no the failed and the skipper. Next, go to the simulation software. Okay, this is the software of the simulation. The software definition that I use is the Proteus. Before need to run the simulation, need to input the files of the AVR that we built before. Double click on the Atmega 64 and they have showed the program file, so include it. Make sure that the hexa files they include in this 64 and in this Atmega 64 after input it, so you can run the simulation. So this the when the door the all of the door is closed, so the 7 segment will show 0. While unpress or unswitch any one of the door, they will display what the door that they open. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. And otherwise, you unpress 2 or more window or door, the 7 will display alphabet E. So that means that we know more than 2 door is open. Okay, this is just this is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand that what I explained to you guys. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.